All right, biology graduates, let's dive into the fascinating world of circadian rhythms. These are the internal clocks present in almost all organisms, including humans, that regulate various physiological processes according to a roughly 24-hour cycle. First off, let's understand where it all begins. Deep within our brain lies a tiny region called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN for short. This little cluster of about 20,000 neurons sits in the hypothalamus and is often referred to as the master clock. It coordinates all the other clocks in our body, ensuring they tick in harmony. Now, you might wonder, how does the SCN keep accurate time? It's primarily influenced by external cues, the most significant being light. When light enters our eyes, it sends signals to the SCN, helping it adjust to the day-night cycle. This process is called photoentrainment. Essentially, light resets our internal clock every day, much like winding a watch. Let's talk about some key players in this process. At the molecular level, circadian rhythms are driven by a feedback loop of gene expression. Two crucial genes to note are clock and BML1. These genes encode proteins that form a complex binding to DNA and activating other genes including period, PER, and cryptochrome, CRY. The PER and CRY proteins accumulate in the cell throughout the day, and as they build up, they inhibit the activity of the clock BML1 complex, reducing their own production. This cycle of activation and inhibition takes about 24 hours, creating the circadian rhythm. But how do these molecular rhythms translate into behaviors and physiological processes? Well, circadian rhythms influence sleep-wake cycles, feeding patterns, hormone release, body temperature, and even cell regeneration. For instance, melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep, is produced by the pineal gland in response to darkness, thanks to signals from the SCN. Conversely, cortisol, which helps us wake up and stay alert, peaks in the morning. Circadian rhythms aren't just limited to humans. Plants, for instance, open their leaves to capture sunlight during the day and close them at night. Even bacteria and fungi have circadian rhythms, showing just how fundamental these processes are to life on Earth. However, disruptions to our circadian rhythms can have significant impacts. Think of jet lag, when crossing time zones throws our internal clock out of sync with the external environment. Or consider shift work, which can lead to chronic misalignment between our internal clocks and our schedules. These disruptions are linked to various health issues, including sleep disorders, metabolic syndromes, and even mental health conditions. So, what can we do to maintain healthy circadian rhythms? Simple lifestyle adjustments can make a big difference. Regular exposure to natural light, especially in the morning, can help keep our SCN in check. Maintaining consistent sleep and wake times, even on weekends, is crucial. Limiting exposure to artificial light, particularly blue light from screens in the evening, can also prevent disruptions in melatonin production. In summary, understanding and respecting our circadian rhythms can significantly enhance our well-being. By aligning our daily habits with our internal clocks, we can optimize our health and productivity. So, next time you're working late or crossing time zones, remember your body's natural rhythm and try to keep it in harmony. That's it for today, folks. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, biology is the study of life itself.